In this video we are going to talk about import functionality in Bird on Cloud application. After logging into Bird application, traverse to the left top corner where 3 horizontal lines are present. Select the Create item in the menu bar. At the top right corner select the Import template. Upload the CIDF file from the folder. If the CIDF source is RDBMS, then you will be prompted to give details such as connection name, the server IP address, the database name, the database port, username, and password. Test the connection after filling the above mandatory details. Prompt at the bottom left corner shall indicate a successful database connection. Proceed further till finish to complete the wizard. The storyboard get loaded while the data is being fetched into Bird columnar store at the background. Save the storyboard. This is all about import functionality of Bird on Cloud application. Thank you.